The reason why we chose Ducati touring team, first it's the group of Ducati, number one. Number two, because the touring team, they travel out of town, they ride, so they are the perfect people to use our Angel GT2 na sport touring. So sometimes mabilis, sometimes relax, twisties, biyahe. That is the purpose of Angel GT2. Wet, dry, they don't care. Umulan, uminit, diretso biyahe.
I'm Justin. I'm actually from Pirelli Asia. So today we just finished the ride to Baler. We actually piggyback with the Ducati touring team. So why we are doing this is to introduce our new tire, the Pirelli Angel GT2, the newest tire in our sports touring range.
Good morning.
So this tire is actually a step up of our already great Angel GT. But the difference now is the new technology that we employ, the variable end count at the shoulders, and also the different tensions of the radial belts in the tires to give you both comfort during the straights and support during the lean. And of course, if you actually take a look at the tread pattern, it's derived from our experience in World Superbike, from our Diablo Wet and Diablo Rain. So all this actually give you extreme comfort and confidence during dry and wet conditions. So all in all, it's interesting to see, such a tight-knit community going for tours, going for rides together where they can share their experiences, and of course it gives us great pleasure as Pirelli to actually support one of their rides, and we hope to do that more often in the future.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Totti and Joy Alberto. So sila yung owner of Ducati Philippines. So sumama din sila sa ride. Dumating din si Senator JV, and then people from si Ray Relativo from Club 200. And we met a lot of people, new people, and also the DTT people. And we're very glad that this ride isn't only for a select people, but for people who really go riding yung long distance. Angel GT2 is now available in our main office sa Caloocan Sales Center, and soon it will be available in yung mga dealers ng Pirelli Big Bike na tires, and they can also fit the tires for you. And also from Ducati, of course, Ducati branches, they will have this tire.